Hi, I'm Caterina, and today we're going to see how to wear a MetaQuest. Right now, I've got a MetaQuest 3, but the same applies for all the other MetaQuest. First of all, the headset consists of a frontal part, and inside we find two lenses. A few initial warnings. Never expose the lenses directly to sunlight, and if you wear glasses, I recommend you use spacers. The headset also consists of two adjustable side parts, an adjustable rear strap, and a top strap with Velcro. Let's see how to put on the headset. First of all, let's position the front part. Then tighten the rear strap and adjust the side parts so that they are horizontal. The rear parts should be just below the nape of your neck. You can also adjust the top Velcro strap. Press the left side button to turn on the headset. Once it's on, if the windows appear blurry, you can adjust the side strap or the top strap. Otherwise, you can take off the headset and adjust the internal lenses. On the MetaQuest 3, you can use the dial. With the other MetaQuest, you can adjust the lenses manually. Now let's see how to hold the controllers. The controller with the A and B buttons is for your right hand, while the controller with the X and Y buttons is for your left hand. First, let's put on the safety strap. Then place the palm of your hand on the side of the controller. Your thumb is for these buttons. The index finger is for the upper button called trigger, and the middle finger is for the side button called grip. In the same way, hold the left controller in a perfectly mirrored manner.